TeamGantt is an online project management tool that helps teams plan, collaborate, and track progress through Gantt charts. Here's how to use it effectively. Create an account and start a project. Go to the TeamGantt website and sign up for an account. Click on Create a new project to start. Name your project and set a start date. Build your project timeline. Add tasks by clicking on the timeline. Enter the task name, start and end dates. Set task dependencies by connecting tasks that need to occur in a specific order. Adjust timelines by dragging and resizing tasks on the Gantt chart. Assign team members. Click on a task and assign it to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down. You can also set task priorities and deadlines. Track progress. TeamGantt shows a visual timeline where you can track task completion and overall project progress. Update tasks as they move forward by changing their status. Collaborate and communicate. Leave comments on tasks for team discussions. Share the project with your team and clients, giving them access to relevant updates.